Hey there, welcome to another edition of Workout Wednesday. Today we're talking about the hip flexor. Hip flexor is a muscle that sits on the front of your hip and flexes it up. The reason why we want to make sure that this muscle is good and flexible is because it attaches at your spine. So a lot of us sit too much throughout the day and the hip flexor gets really tight, and what it does is it pulls our spine into extension and create a lot of compression. Especially if you're active, if you're a runner or something like that where you're playing a sport, hip flexors can get strained a lot if they get tight because we get into that extension movement and the muscle just isn't used to that. So for a stretch for that, you're going to put 1 foot forward, knee down, a pillow here just for comfort, just because this is a cement floor. If you're stretching outside and you're on the grass or something like that, probably don't need something for your knee. If you're inside and on soft carpet, probably don't need something for your knee, but otherwise put something down just for comfort. Grab your back foot, and then you want to drive your hip forward, but the mistake that I see a lot of people do is they extend their spine. You don't want to do that because you're not moving through your hip. So you want to keep your abdominals engaged and then shift your weight forward, and you should feel that good stretch. The reason why you want to keep your abdominals engaged is, like I said, that muscle sits on the front side of our spine. You can't see it, but if you took everything out of your inside, the muscle would be right there on the front side of your spine. So if you keep your abdominals engaged, you stabilize the spine, and you give that spine an anchor so that as the muscle pulls, you'll actually get a stretch. If you don't engage your spine and you go to shift, you'll just kind of spring forward and the muscle will just shift around and won't really improve your stretch. So if you're somebody who's been struggling with tight hip flexors and you've been doing the stretch but haven't seen any improvement, that could be why. I hope that helps to improve your hip flexor flexibility. It's a great stretch. I do it all the time. If you're active, you should be doing it. If you're somebody who sits a lot for work, you should be doing it. If you have any questions, please comment below. Otherwise, I'll check you next time on Workout Wednesday. Thanks for watching.